Hi all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the spare tyre on a car with the factory supplied tools. And one of the first things to do is make sure the handbrake is applied and the vehicle is in gear. Now the next thing we do is gain access to the spare wheel. There's a warning triangle if you're broke down on the road. And as you see, you've got a jack and a wheel brace. Standard equipment. Most vehicles will have a specific jacking point. You can see on this vehicle it's indicated by an arrow pointing down to the lower edge. As you can see on this jack, there's a groove. That groove should correspond to that lower lip. So that lip fits in that groove. So we insert the jack and begin to wind it up. Make sure you're on a solid level ground until the point where the jack just starts to take the weight of the vehicle. Then we get our wheel brace, put it onto the nuts, just gently loosen the nuts off. Don't undo them all the way, just enough to loosen them off. Now we jack the vehicle up. Now these jacks are not very good. They're a bit unstable, so you have to be very careful that you don't rock the car too much and don't put anything underneath the car. That if the car potentially falls, don't be anywhere underneath it. Now we continue to undo the wheel nuts, put them somewhere safe and out of the way. Don't be surprised when you've undone all the wheel nuts if your wheel is stuck and doesn't seem to want to come off. If that's the case, just give the tyre a gentle bang at the top and at the sides and it should loosen the wheel up. Make sure everything's free and out of the way and remove the wheel. Now when it comes to putting the wheel back on, roll the wheel round, bring it into the position, and you have to line the bolts up. So when you lift the wheel up, slide it on, the bolts may not line up, so you may have to turn it gently until you can see that the bolts have lined up. Get your wheel bolts. Start with the bottom one, and then you can let go of the wheel, and the wheel will stay there. Now you grab your wheel brace with the vehicle still off the ground, very, very gently, just do them up a little bit. They don't need to be tight at this point, but just do them up so the wheel is physically on there and secure. Now we lower the vehicle back down. And remove the jack. Now the vehicle's secure and on the ground, we can use the wheel brace to tighten the wheels up as tight as you can. Now there is a specified torque for these wheels, which obviously you can't do at the side of the road. So do them up as tight as you possibly can, and then when you begin to drive, stop after 2 or 3 miles and just do that again. Just tighten them up again, just to make sure they're not coming loose. Do it every 3 or 4 miles until you can get to a garage to get them properly torqued up. Now you've got your spare tyre back in the boot. Don't forget your warning triangle if you put it out. I would advise you as soon as you can, get to a garage and get the wheels torqued up. As you can see, these wheels are set at 120 newton meters. and then it ensures that they're tightened to the correct tightness. As you can see, these are actually tight enough, but it always pays to make sure that they are to the correct torque specification for your vehicle. And there we go, guys. That's how you put a spare wheel on using the factory supplied tools in the car. Remember, if you're doing this on the side of the road, ensure that it's safe. Safety is more important than anything. Put your warning triangle 100, 150 yards up the road with the cars coming towards you, so it gives them a little bit of prior notice and warning. And always be safe. If in doubt, phone the police and don't do it. Wait till the police arrive and they'll guide you for what you need to do. Okay, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks very much. See you soon.